Hi, I'm Michelle Ordain, Digital Capability Trainer at the Bay of Plenty District Health Board. This is the third video in a series of 3 and focuses on tips and tricks that will help you to host your Zoom meeting. The person who sets up the meeting is assigned as the host. The host has special controls or access to different settings like mute all participants, breakout rooms, and recording. Tip number 1. Sign into the meeting at least 10 to 15 minutes beforehand. That way you've got time to get set up yourself as well as to help any others that may need assistance. Tip number 2. Sharing documents. If you're planning to share any documents throughout the meeting, make sure that you have closed down any documents on your desktop that you don't want others to see. This will avoid any embarrassing moments or any potential breaches of confidentiality. Tip number 3. Make sure you have easy access to any websites, videos, or documents that you want to share with the meeting. For example, copy the folder or document to your desktop so you're not fluffing around trying to locate them. Tip number 4. In Zoom, we can send files to everyone in the meeting or to selected participants. Be wary of sharing private, patient, or confidential information. To transfer a document via file, we go to our chat icon at the bottom on our toolbar. Click on that. It brings up the chat pane on the right hand side. We're going to specify who we want to share it with, so we can either share it with this file with everyone in the meeting, or if we have other people in the meeting, we would select specific people we wanted to share it with. So I'll just share with everyone in the meeting at the moment, which is me, and I'm just going to click on File. It brings up my File Explorer, and then I can just choose the file that I want, and there it is. Everyone who is in the meeting can click on this icon here. It says click to open, and that will then open on their own computer so that they can then print it or save it as they want to. Very easy. Here are some tips and tricks for hosting a larger meeting. Play sounds when someone leaves or joins the meeting is turned on. This can be very distracting, especially if you have a number of latecomers. So we can change this in settings, but we can also change this within the meeting. So here's how to change it within the meeting. So first of all, I'm going to go to my participants button on the toolbar at the bottom, manage participants. Click on that and it brings up the participants pane. I'm going to go down to the bottom right hand corner and there's a little ellipses, the 3 dots, and I'm going to uncheck play sound when someone joins or leaves. I'm going to click on that to turn it off. It is useful to mute all participants and ask them to unmute when they want to ask a question or make a comment. Alternatively, they can use the chat, which is just down here on the toolbar here, to ask questions, or they could raise their hand to ask a question. If they go to reactions and raise hand, so you see the little hand that pops up there. I hope you found this video useful. If I can help you at all, or if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.